Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vertical format in OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio and click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to the Video tab. Here, you will find Base, Canvas, Resolution, and Output, Scaled Resolution. To create a vertical video, simply swap these values. For example, change 1920 by 1080 to 1080 by 1920 pixels. This immediately transforms your canvas into a vertical layout, perfect for short-form content. Now that your canvas is vertical, you'll need to adjust your sources. Add your game capture, webcam, or other elements as you normally would. Drag and drop them to fit the new vertical space. Right-click on a source, select Transform, then Fit to Screen or manually adjust. You might need to crop some elements to focus on key areas. Remember, the goal is to make your content visually appealing within the new, taller frame. With your canvas and sources set up, you're ready to record or stream. Double-check your output settings under the Output tab to ensure everything aligns with your vertical format. Then, simply click Start Recording or Start Streaming. OBS will capture your content in the vertical orientation you've configured. Always do a quick test recording of about 10 to 15 seconds to confirm your layout and audio are perfect before a longer session. To streamline your vertical content creation, consider using scene collections. This allows you to quickly switch between a horizontal and vertical setup without reconfiguring everything. Always test your recordings or streams before going live to catch any issues. Explore OBS plugins designed for vertical video, which can offer additional tools like dedicated vertical docks or preview windows. These small adjustments can significantly enhance your workflow and the quality of your vertical content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.